What is going on, YouTube? How y'all feeling out there, man? It's your boy, none other than Sauce, and I want to welcome y'all to another AP Whip. Shout out to all the fathers out there. I want to wish y'all a happy Father's Day, man. As y'all can see, I'm just not getting off the job, man. You know what I'm saying? Just leaving the place that pays the bills. You know what I'm saying? Keeps money in my pocket and pays for it right there. Ooh, look at her. Might be a little bit too far away, but y'all still see her. Y'all still see her. Hit up. Ooh, man, she still looks lovely. I decided to give y'all a little late night drive to the crib, little POV. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all what I go through when I get on the expressway heading home when fools try to pull it with me. So I'm gonna holler at y'all when we hop in.
Shit, nigga, SUG, man, y'all already know the game. We rocking, man. Fuck they tell off, man. Feel like the Migos in this motherfucker. I got one chain though. What area? Smoking stupid, really loud. You know how it goes, man. Shoot 'em up gang, man. Free dirt, man. R.I.P. DP, R.I.P. NT, free roll, man. Gang. My niggas, they owe you no letting up. No letting up. No letting up. No letting up. My niggas, they owe you no letting up. No letting up. No letting up. No letting up. My niggas, they owe you no letting up. No letting up. No letting up. No letting up. My niggas, they owe you no letting up. No letting up. No letting up. No letting up. My niggas, they owe you no letting up.
Alright, y'all, we are in midnight, about to head to the crib. How's everybody? I hope y'all, by the time y'all see this video, it will be Father's Day, but I hope everybody having a blessed Father's Day. Stay safe, enjoy yourselves. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Man, I do not like this front one's camera. I have a $2,000 phone and ain't no front one's camera. That's just crazy, man. I decided to give y'all a little POV, me sliding to the crib, leaving the job. Show y'all what I go through on the expressway. Get crazy out here, man. I'm talking about crazy. If you from Illinois, y'all already know what I'm talking about. You gotta keep yourself protected at all times. All times. Let's go ahead and get on this expressway. Well, we about to get on the expressway, y'all. See how crazy get out here. Show y'all what your boy gotta go through. There go one in the parking lot. That gas station, he's probably gonna try and catch up to me later, watch. No, I ain't never been a fan of holding the phone, especially when I'm driving. Let's give y'all a little taste of what we go through in the shot. Wake y'all up for a minute in case y'all was asleep just now. Wake y'all up real quick. So, man, talk to your boy, holler at your boy, man. Going crazy. Man, I hate this phone with camera, man. Z Fold 5 Flip. And this is the front with camera. This is crazy, bro. I might edit some of this part out. I know y'all want to keep looking at my face all fuzzy and stuff like that. See, I got an RT and already, you know, y'all see the Demon logo in the background? Yeah. And you know what's crazy? I had it on my V6 too, so I mean, maybe that's a little small little feature they give you, even though you know you ain't riding in no Demon. Y'all a little taste of what I go through when I'm heading home. Definitely don't want the phone up like that, you know. The police riding around here low key. Low key. Last thing I need for them to throw the lights on behind me. Oh, you had your phone in your hand. I'm still recording too, mother. People gonna try and pull it with me tonight. I guarantee y'all that. I guarantee y'all that. I go through it all the time. You be riding home and stuff, and it's not hard to tell, even at night, what kind of car somebody in, because you know it. If you like cars, in the cars, and you're a musclehead, you already know what kind of car you finna pull up on, what kind of car you see. You really just trying to see if it's that VA or that heavy duty. You know what I'm saying? So what do you do when you want to test them, see what it is? You pull up on the side of them, you make it roar. Give them that loud bark. You know that. You know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I kid you not, boy. Gets crazy out here. Show y'all one. If you seen that sign before, you know exactly where your boy at. Watch, here come one now. Speeding up on the side of it. Look at that. That's a 300. Y'all think I should get up there with him and try? He probably sound like he in a swap. A 300? That might be that SRT bad boy. I wish y'all could hear he up there growling like he calling for me, like, yeah, come on up here, come on up here. I scared y'all not looking. This little Infiniti just pulled up on the side of me, right? He just pulled up on the side of me and just started revving it. Ooh, boy, see, I ain't that dangerous type. You know what I'm saying? I live my life. Them young days gone. Trust me, it's still in me, but I had my fun when I was young. You know what I'm saying? I could, jump from lane to lane. Get ignorant right along with them, as if I didn't do a little bit of ignorancy right, just a few minutes ago. But hey, it's fun though, as long as you protect yourself, know when to do it, how to do it. I told y'all, this is something. This is what I go through. It's Sunday night, Father's Day night. They out here, trying to start some shiznit on the expressway. I'm trying to get to the crib, or at least try to get to the stove. Now, we was on the straightaway, I probably would have pulled it with them. But when you weaving in and out of traffic and stuff like that, got big ass semis and stuff next to you, try not to cause any friction, any accidents. Main goal at the end of the day is to make it home safe and sound. But I told y'all, it ain't over with yet. It ain't over with yet. Y'all just saw that 300 get past me. The little Xfinity just tried me. It ain't over with. It's gonna be some more. Wait till we hit that 9094. Look, got the Benz truck right here. Well, let's get to the side. Oh yeah, they out here. Truth be told, I'm up here playing. I need to go ahead and put it in sport mode just in case the next fool try me. Hold on, let me go ahead and activate that real quick. Oh, there it is. There it is. Let's see what the next fool gonna try. Ain't never rode this long in sport mode. Y'all see that Durango over there? He might gonna try and come over here and try something. I ain't never rode this long in sport mode, boy. Anybody want to test me? Ooh, y'all got a Chevy. Check the Chevy out that's coming up on the side. Ooh, the Chevy. Man, I kid you not, I ain't never rode this long in sport mode. look, I'm just saying, I'm on point. I'm ready. Still in sport mode, just tapping on the gas, just ready. No, but all also fun. Stay safe out there. Don't be trying to pull it. Don't be trying to act crazy and stuff like that. Always remember, stay safe. Be professional about it. Let's see if we can get over, man. We stuck all the way back here. I hate being in the back when I got so much potential. Still in sport, just kicking it up. Look. Flag still on there. I put $40 in the tank earlier and I probably just blew about 38. Another thing y'all gotta look out for out here, this fool just swerving, going back and forth, swerving. Don't play with people like that. You either pass them up or fall back. Looking for that Infiniti, y'all. I think he got low on me though. He got low on me. He either got off or got way up there. I'm looking for that moment. Trust me, I am. Gotta be careful, y'all. Cars, you know, they try and fly by you. That could be a test of them trying to test you. Ooh, let me slow down, baby. Let me slow down. This turn coming up, you know, state like to sit over there. If you're from Chicago, you know you pass it up Wentworth, 95th station. You know, state sit over here to the left on 57. Now we on 57. I guarantee you somebody gonna try and pull it. Watch. They gonna tell by my headlights what kind of car I'm in, but I bet you somebody gonna try and pull it. Or should I try and pull it with somebody? Y'all know I'm a lover, not a fighter. Well, an Xfinity truck, I should take it out on the truck since I can't find the car. Oh yeah, y'all. Yeah, state sit somewhere. Yeah, they like sitting over here in the cut. Yeah, this 57, when it curves around and everything, we about to pass 111, 119. State like to sit over here in the cut and watch, see who gonna do some dumb shit. I cut traction off, y'all. I cut sport mode off because wasn't nobody trying to get funky on the straightaway. On the straightaway, boy, I cut traction off and burn them off. But wasn't nobody trying to get funky on the straightaway. They like that weaving in and out, you know. I guess that's the way you can tell, see who's a good driver and stuff, but I ain't trying to put my life or the lives of any other pedestrians out here in danger. Wouldn't nobody get on the straightaway, though. Still lurking. So anyway, like I was saying, man, I hope everybody, all the fathers out there, all the mothers that stepped up in the fathers' places, I hope everybody is enjoying their Father's Day. Hope everybody is feeling blessed. It's a car behind me. No, he ain't behind me, but I see him like he ain't got no lights on. See what I mean? Like he ain't got no lights on, but he want to ride all slow and whatnot. And right there, that look like a Ford Fusion. His rear lights work, but his front lights, nah. People gotta look for it. They probably be lurking on some. But hey, man, I just want to give y'all a little late night POV, me sliding to the crib, showing y'all what it is that I get into when I'm around here riding, heading to the crib, whatnot. This happens every night. I'm heading to the crib, every night. Y'all down Mopar, you know what I'm saying? Any type of muscle car, Chevy, Ford, y'all already know what it is, what the deal is. You know, we race our fellow man, like a Dodge Challenger up trying to pull it with me. I've seen 2 Camaros go at it. So it's all about the muscle. They trying to see what you got up under that hood without actually looking up under the hood. Meet y'all when I get to the store. Holla in a minute. What up, gang? I'm up here at the store. I would have brought y'all in there with me, but I had to keep my head on the swivel. All the stuff that be going on up here. Be too much going on up here, so I had to keep my head on the swivel. But we are right around the corner from the crib. We're gonna slide up there and head in. Holla at y'all in a minute. Well, man, we pulling up to the crib. I appreciate y'all for riding to the crib with me, man. I had to let y'all know what I go through. I probably what anybody else go through. You know, and sometimes it don't even matter if you got a V8. You know, people may try and pull it with you in a V6. You know what I'm saying? Just how you feel that night when it's going on. But mostly muscle cars definitely go through it, you know. But I appreciate y'all for sliding through, checking out the video. I'm thinking about going catless, y'all, to get that extra roar. And thinking about getting my hood wrapped with the little Hemi word on it, but put the Hemi word in yellow. What y'all think, man? Let me know down in the comment section what y'all think about that. I mean, I'm always open for suggestions on things I could do. I hate this from this camera, boy, I swear. I might switch to iPhone. Oh, sorry about that, y'all. I ain't got my seatbelt on. I thought I'm right around the corner. I'm at the crib. But she always, put your seatbelt on. See, she's steady saying, put your seatbelt on. But hey, man, I appreciate y'all for sliding through, checking out the video, rocking with your boy, staying with your boy, hanging with your boy. Don't forget, I got a gaming channel, so I'm gonna always leave that link down at the bottom in case y'all want to, hop on with your boy. Appreciate y'all for sliding through. It's your boy Sauce. I will catch y'all in the next video. Stay safe, stay smooth, stay blessed. Peace.